We issued a statement on Myanmar in which the Secretary General said he will follow the upcoming general elections on November 8th. He notes that the holding of peaceful, orderly, and credible elections is an important opportunity to help advance inclusive, sustainable development, humanitarian action, human rights, and democratic reforms, including civilian control over the military. He hopes it will also help pave the way for refugees to return home in dignity and safety. The Secretary General renews his appeal for a ceasefire across the country to allow us to focus on combating the COVID-19 pandemic. He remains concerned about armed conflict in many areas of Myanmar, especially the intensifying clashes in Rakhine and Chin states, which continue to take a heavy toll on vulnerable civilians. Other questions? Let me look at the chat. Otherwise, we will go. The Secretary General urges all parties to the armed conflict to respect their obligations under international humanitarian law, to protect civilians, to protect civilian infrastructure. Unimpeded humanitarian access for the United Nations and its partners is crucial. Also at this juncture, a critical juncture for the people of Myanmar, the Secretary General reaffirms the support of the United Nations in their pursuit of lives of dignity and peace. And our guests,